Once in a lifetime invitation for you. Would you like to travel to space?
Hello and welcome back to the Future Focus YouTube channel. Today we will be talking about space travel, and specifically, how Richard Branson gets exposed for faking his space trip. So let's get started and just give you a little intro about who Sir Richard Branson is. Sir Richard Branson is an English business magnate, investor, author, and commercial astronaut. UBS estimates the potential value of the market for space tourism will reach $3 billion annually by 2030. Keeping the public safe while traveling by rocket is key. One Virgin Galactic pilot was killed and another was seriously injured following the crash of an earlier version of the rocket plane in California's Mojave Desert in 2014. Eventually, Branson hopes to reduce the price to between $40,000 and $50,000 per seat as the company gains greater economies of scale. The spaceport is estimated to be able to accommodate 400 flights a year eventually, called Glacier said. Branson's participation in Sunday's space race, announced in late June, typified his image as the daredevil whose Virgin brands, from airlines to music companies, are traditionally linked to ocean crossings in sailboats and hot air balloons. His ride-along also put him ahead of Blue Origin, the company founded by Jeff Bezos, in the billionaire space race. Bezos is planning to launch his own rocket ship, the New Shepard, later this month. Bezos and Branson have said they are friendly rivals and will not race to the moon. At a post-flight press conference, Branson said he wished Jeff the best and he hoped he would enjoy the flight. Despite this, Blue Origin has disparaged Virgin Galactic as not providing a true space experience, stating that New Shepard exceeds the 62-mile-high mark, 100 kilometers, set by an international aeronautical organization as the boundary between the Earth's atmosphere and space. The New Shepard was designed to fly above the Kármán line, so that no astronauts will have an asterisk next to their names, Blue Origin said in a series of tweets Friday. In spite of this, NASA and the U.S. According to the Navy and Air Force, an astronaut is anyone with at least 50 miles, 80 kilometers of flight experience. Moreover, SpaceX, Musk's company, is planning to launch the first all-civilian crew to the International Space Station, minus Musk, in September after operating numerous cargo missions and astronaut missions to the station for NASA. Dave Mackey and Michael Masick-Sai piloted the spaceplane. Beth Moses, the company's main astronaut instructor, Colin, Virgin Galactic's senior operations engineer, and Sarisha Bandla, research operations and government affairs vice president, were the three other mission specialists. Afterward, all remarked on the beauty of Unity's windows. As Mackey described it, outer space is as black can ever be, separated from Earth's surface by a thin blue atmosphere. NBC News quoted him as saying, "Cameras don't show it justice. You have to see it for yourself. Truth or consequences." And Reuters. British entrepreneur Richard Branson flew his Virgin Galactic rocket plane more than 50 miles over the New Mexico desert on Sunday and safely returned in the vehicle's first fully crewed test journey to space, a symbolic milestone for a firm he launched 17 years ago. Branson, one of 6 Virgin Galactic Holding Inc. SBCE employees on board, hailed the mission as the first step toward commercial space travel. Virgin Galactic is planning to launch commercial flights next year. A high-profile rivalry between billionaire Jeff Bezos, Amazon.o, and the flamboyant entrepreneur gained a foothold when the billionaire's rocket was launched into space early. Amazon CEO Jeff Bezos posted a message on Instagram congratulating him on his takeoffs. "I can't wait to be a part of the club." The launch was live-streamed on Stephen Colbert's late-night television show, to which space industry executives, customers, and other well-wishers were invited. A second billionaire, Elon Musk, also the founder and CEO of electric car company Tesla, Tesla.o, attended the reception. The Grammy-nominated R&B singer Khalid performed his upcoming single New Normal after the flight. Spaceport America, a state-owned facility near the town of Truth or Consequences, carried the white space plane aloft on the underside of the dual fuselage jetliner VMS Eve, named after Branson's late mother. A large part of the facility is leased to Virgin Galactic, as Unity reached its launch point at about 46,000 feet, 14,000 m. It was released from the mothership and fell away as the crew ignited its rocket, sending it streaking straight upward at supersonic speeds up to 86 kilometers, 53 miles, in the air. As the space plane soared through the upper atmosphere, its contrail was clearly visible on the ground. Former Canadian astronaut Chris Hadfield pinned Virgin-produced astronaut wings onto Branson and his crew's blue flight suits. Afterward, the company plans on presenting the FAA with official wing pins. Tickets are still available for high-cost flights of the spaceplane, with Virgin Galactic announcing the company plans to operate 2 more test flights over the next few months before launching regular commercial flights in 2022. Michael Colglazier, the CEO of the company, announced that 4 Italian astronaut trainees will fly on one of those missions. According to Branson, 600 wealthy would-be citizen astronauts have also reserved reservations, priced at about $250,000 each for the thrill of supersonic flight and weightlessness. When the company ramps up service, Branson hopes to lower the price to about $40,000 per seat. The
32 seconds into the flight.
To be able to accommodate 400 flights a year eventually, Colglazier said. So I hope you enjoyed watching it. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel with notifications toggled on. Goodbye.